friends. This is Rajiv here from Artha Institute of Management. Artha Institute of Management is a dedicated company secretary coaching center at Ottapalam, Palakkad. We have classes both online and offline for CS Executive Entrance Test, CS Executive and CS Professional. And today's video is one of the video in my case law series. And case laws are very important for the growth of a company secretary as a student and as a professional. And today's case is with reference to Section 2, Subsection 5 of Essential Commodities Act 1955. Section 2, Subsection 5 of the Essential Commodities 1955 talks about foodstuffs. And the case is S. Samuel, Managing Director, Harrison Malayalam versus Union of India and others. This case is with reference to an order issued by the Tamil Nadu government in 1977 classifying tea as a foodstuff, the commodity tea as a foodstuff. The company Harrison Malayalam went to court to get a clarification whether tea is a foodstuff. They argued that tea as it is not a foodstuff, so it cannot be classified as an essential commodity under Section 2(5) of Essential Commodities Act 1955. The Supreme Court, after a lot of deliberations, the bench R.C. Lahoti versus Ashok Bhan decided in 6th November 2003 that tea is not a foodstuff. We need to, as a company secretary, we need to how we interpret. We should know like how to interpret the law. Simple understanding of the law is not enough. We should be able to interpret it properly. So here, in common parlance, tea is a foodstuff. But when you legally interpret under Section 2(5) of Essential Commodities 1955, tea is not a foodstuff because why tea is not a foodstuff? Tea can be used as leaves or as a beverage. But tea cannot be eaten by people as a food. This is one of the arguments raised by or accepted by the Supreme Court. Tea as it is cannot be eaten. You cannot eat tea to fill your stomach. The next argument was tea is not taken as a food. It is only used as a flavoring agent, taste agent. See, you put the tea powder into the hot water and when it boils, it gives color as well as the aroma, the flavor. That's all. So it is not a food. And it doesn't have that much capacity to nourish your body or to promote the growth of the body. And tea also doesn't have that much nutritional value. Of course, it energizes us. So some people say that actually if I'm not having tea at 4 o'clock, I will have a headache. Sure, it may be energizing, but it never have that nourishment capacity to nourish our body, the growth of the body. It never support the growth of the body. And Supreme Court specifically said that tea, as it is in common parlance, nobody will say that, like just I had tea, that I had food. You never say that. If you just had tea, you never say that you had your food. Tea only is a supplementary energizer, a beverage. So, Supreme Court categorically quashed the view of Tamil Nadu government, an order which they have issued in 1977 classifying tea as a foodstuff under Section 2, Subsection 5 of Essential Commodities Act 1955. And Supreme Court said that tea is not a foodstuff. So tea is not a foodstuff. It is clear. And this is decided by the Supreme Court in 6th November 2003. The case is Mr. Samuel, Managing Director, Harrison Malayalam versus Union of India and others. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, don't forget to subscribe now, because we will be posting this type of videos which will support the CS professional as a profession, or CS executive students and CS professional students. If you have anything to say, you can put into the comment box. And if you feel this video can be helpful to somebody, don't forget to share. So it's Rajiv signing off. Till the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.